Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you on how to build your own pwnagotchi. So what is pwnagotchi? Pwnagotchi is basically a little cute toy based on Raspberry Pi um, that allows you to scan the Wi-Fi environment and capture all the WKA PA key material so that you can use it for your analysis later on, whether you want to hack the PKID password using hashcat or use it for your own learning purposes. Okay, like always, with great power comes great responsibility. So this is how it looks like, the screen. Now what do you need to have for installing a pwnagotchi is a Raspberry Pi 02W, including the head so that you can see the display. Now if you don't already own one Raspberry Pi 0, that is, go and get one. And you're also gonna need a SD card, 8 GB or more. So I'm using a 64 gig one in this example, and also a USB card reader to allows you to burn the image of the Raspberry Pi into. Alright, so first things first, once you have all that, you need to download the firmware for the Raspberry Pi. You can go to this website here from Aluminium Ice, because the original pwnagotchi from this website is no longer working, as it is no longer maintained by the original author. So you can have a look on here some of the software and hardware hacks that is being used. So there you go. So first of all, download that from Aluminium Ice. Release 185 is the current one as I'm making this video. Don't forget to check the SHA. So you go here and click download. It is zip as 7-zip. Now what I have done here, I have downloaded that. Let's check that. So you can see I have the pwnagotchi Raspberry OS Lite 1.8.5.image. This is extracted from the pwnagotchi version 1.857Z. Now if we have a look at the SHA 256 file, that is the hash for the 7-zip. It is always a good idea to compare the hash to make sure that nothing gets corrupted while you're downloading it. So we can quickly do the SHA with 256 sum. Alright, so as you can see, is this one. Start with C601, E60D, 601, E60D. So you can be sure that it is good. And then once you extract that, it becomes an image. Now I'm using Raspberry Pi imager, copy that. So first of all, you have to select the Raspberry Pi 02W as the device. The operating system is custom because we're going to use the downloaded image, which is pwnagotchi Raspberry Lite 185, and then choose your storage. I have the 64 gig mounted in here, and then click on next. So we don't need any customization settings, so I say no to that. This is just telling me that all the data will be formatted, so make sure that you use the right media. Just click yes to that. It's asking me for my password, and it will start writing. So this will take a while. You will write and then also verify. So let's wait for that to complete. As you can see, it is finished copying now. Now it's going through the verification steps. Currently sitting at 28%. Let's wait for a bit until it is finished. Make sure that all the data is copied successfully. Now, once it is finished, you can see this message pops up saying that the pwnagotchi iOS Lite 1.8.5 has been written successfully, and you can remove the SD card from the reader. So click continue on that. We don't need this anymore. Now we can have a look at the content. So now, as you can see, this is my USB. So this is how it looks like. Now, first things first, you need to create a startup image file. So let's do that. Need to create a file called config.toml. And you can paste in the config from the example. So you can change the name of your pwnagotchi to whatever you like, and this should contain the list of your wireless network that you don't want pwnagotchi to pawn. Main plugin grid is showing that you will upload the wireless AP once it is collected, and you might want to put your home network here so it doesn't get sent to the grid. Okay, now this is the important bit about the display. You need to say display enable true, display type if waveshare_3. So this is the one that works for me. It might not work for you. You can try to adjust this to waveshare_2, and that's pretty much it. We can save this. Now if we check, we should have config.toml Come there. Now we are ready to insert the SD card to your Raspberry Pi. So we can eject the SD card and then insert it into the Raspberry Pi. Okay, thanks for watching.